All right. Guys, I told you that I'm going to my the house of Tete.
Yes.
But normally I call her my Maka. So today we are going to look aloe vera here.
Yes, aloe vera.
Aloe vera. So we are going to ask her the Shona name also because I don't know, and she will be teaching me Shona also.
Okay. Aloe vera we say it's gava kava.
Gava gava.
Yes. Yeah.
Gava
That's it.
kava, yes.
Gava gava.
Yes.
All
Good
right.
job.
Gava gava.
Gava
And-
kava rimo
Gomo in mountain.
Yeah.
So we are going to search for it in the mountain.
All right.
So a mountain is called Gomo.
Gomo.
Yes.
All right.
Satakukwira mugomo.
Huh?
Takukwira mugomo.
Takukira kugomo.
Yes.
Takukira kudomo. Gomo. All right. So we are seeing goats also there.
Oh, goats. Goats.
Buzi.
Yeah, in Shona. We call them boots.
All right. So see here they are buzi also. Buzi or buzi?
Buzi.
Buzi.
Yes, that's
All
good.
right. So
Tiri kukwira gomo.
Kukwira gomo.
tiri kukoma. Gomo.
Nemurora.
Nemurora wedu.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, no, the teeth.
It's not us. They are the ones who is afraid. See,
They're afraid of it.
they are running away from us.
All right. Let's go. And the true kwira gomo. Kwira gomo, right?
Yes. Now we are on the top of the mountain. Takwira gomo, tapa musoro pe gomo.
All right.
So that's saying top of the mountain.
Mm-hmm.
So the aloe vera.
Kava kava.
That in Shona.
Gava kava.
Yes.
Gava
it's
kava.
gava kava. So what do you use it for?
We use for skin and for hair also. Yeah, they're very beautiful.
So you're going to take one today?
Yes.
Okay.
Kava kava. So I know another word, kava kava, in Shona. Kava kava. Pamsero gomo.
Yes.
So if you want to say I use it for skincare in Shona, you say ndinoshandisa.
Ndinoshandisa.
Kugadzira ganda.
Kugadzira. Ganda.
And fudzi. Fudzi means the hair.
Nevuzi.
Yes.
All right.
That's good.
All right.
So we'll take some for you.
You see, Zimbabwe is a beautiful nation. You can actually find aloe vera right
for
on
free.
top of the mountain.
And it's free.
For free.
Yeah, it's true. No, it's very beautiful.
In the Middle East, it's very expensive.
It's very expensive.
Yeah, you cannot find there.
You can't find it.
In the desert.
So let me fetch some for you.
Kava kava.
This one is fresh.
Kava kava.
Yeah, I think this one's will do.
Thank you. Maita basa.
You're welcome.
Just show them around, so that they can see that you are really on top of the mountain. You see? And I say
Pamsero gomo.
Yes.
Now
Tazikaku gomo.